Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this fantastic little Kia Picanto 1.25 EcoDynamics Chilli. Now this spicy vehicle is finished in the colour clear white and it's currently done 39,174 miles. It does come with full service history, it has been well maintained, it sits nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. Here in the boot you'll find 200 litres of space, which can be increased to 870 with the rear seats down. Here inside to the rear you'll find your red, grey and black interior. You do have part leather and the ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat in. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Round to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. On the steering wheel here you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system. To the right you have your cruise control and speed limiter. Here in the instrument cluster you do have a display where you can see your mileage as well as different trip information. In the centre of the dashboard here you have your touchscreen infotainment system that has access to FM and AM radio. You can also connect your own source of audio. There's USB and auxiliary inputs as well as Bluetooth, where you can also safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. You do have all of your system settings there available to you, and this Picanto has rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make reversing much easier. You have your automatic air conditioning there, which is very easy to use. Your USB auxiliary input and a 12-volt socket and two cup holders there. Your 5-speed manual gear selector here in the centre.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.